You know that it's actually very easy to check out what your competitors are doing on Facebook. Whether they're running Facebook ads, what do the ads look like, and what are the landing pages look like, what are their offers. It's actually very easy. So what you do is you, of course, go on their Facebook page and you scroll down a little bit to page transparency. Click on see more and it will show you whether there's any ads running. So for example, for Andersen Windows, they're currently running ads. Click on go to ad library and look at this. You get to see all of the ads they're currently running. Which day it started. So this ad over here started running on October 31st. And you get to see the ad copy. You get to play it, what it looks like. And once you click on, so of course you get to see the ad copy. Once you click on it, you get to see the ad a little bigger in size. And if you click on learn more, of course you get to see what their landing page looks like. Right? So this is very interesting. You get a spy on what your competitors are doing, what ads they're running, if they're running multiple ads, what their offers are. Is that fun? Spying on your competitors on Facebook.